So in the last video I showed you how to create a Veed account. In this video I want to show you how to automatically add subtitles to your video using Veed. The first step is to go on Google and search for Veed subtitles. Good, now click on the first link. Okay, now click on choose file. Okay, now click on upload a file. And now you gotta select the video that you want to add the subtitles to. So I'm gonna select this video, then I'm gonna click open, and as you can see, your video it's being uploaded. Good, the video has been uploaded. Now you have three different options in which you can add your subtitles. You can choose the first option, which is auto subtitle, automatically add subtitle to your video so you don't have to do basically anything. The second one is manual subtitles. You can type your subtitles manually. And the last option is upload subtitle file. That's if you already have an existing file with the subtitle. But in my opinion, the first option is the best one, so I'm gonna click on the first option. Good. What do you want to subtitle? It's already this video. Good. Now you gotta select your language. Mine is good, it's English, so I'm gonna click create subtitles. So click on create subtitles. And as you can see here, this process might take several minutes depending on the length of your videos. So it can, take from 5 minutes to, I don't know, 15, half an hour, it depends. Okay, the subtitles have been added. Now, obviously, you can modify them. And let's say here, I don't want the question mark. I want the exclamation mark. You get the point. If you want to delete something, you can delete it. If you want to, I don't know, change something, you can change it. Now let's go to styles because you have different styles which you can choose from. You can change the writing style if you do not like this one. So let's choose a different one. Let's see which one suits our video the best. And let's say I want to go with Anton, so I'm gonna click on Anton. Now you can choose a different background. Let's choose this one. Let's see how it looks. And let's say I'm happy with my decision. Now I can click export. So click on export. Okay, click again on export video. As you can see here, now they're rendering the video. And then when the video is rendering, you can download your video and you would have the subtitles in it. So let's see. Okay, the video is ready. Now I can click download. So I'm gonna click download. You can download it as MP4 or GIF. I'm gonna choose to download it as MP4. So click download as MP4. As you can see, the video is downloading. And I'll show you after the video is downloaded that the video has the subtitles. Let's see if the video has the subtitles. Let's check it out. As you can see, the video has subtitles. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you have to do. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.